BFLY is up an astonishing 55.87% today, making it the top gainer in the market. The S&P 500 is currently trading at $7,501, representing a 1.08% increase on the day. The VIX, often referred to as the Fear Index, is up 2.32% at 16.8, indicating a slight increase in market volatility. With the S&P 500 hovering around the $7,500 mark and the Nasdaq around $25,000, it's clear that the market is experiencing a period of growth. However, it's essential to consider the potential risks and opportunities that come with this growth. The current yield environment, coupled with the VIX's moderate level, suggests that investors are cautiously optimistic about the market's prospects. In today's market, BFLY is outperforming most of its peer group, with a price move of 55.87%. This significant increase can be attributed to the company's strong earnings track record, with 3 out of 4 quarters beating expectations and a last quarter surprise of 24.6%. The analyst consensus is overwhelmingly bullish, with 90.9% of analysts recommending a strong buy. However, it's worth noting that corporate insiders are selling shares, which could be a sign of potential weakness. The options market is also indicating bullish institutional positioning, with a put/call ratio of 0.14. As BFLY continues to outperform its peers, it's essential to keep an eye on its revenue growth, which is currently at 25% year-over-year. This strong growth, combined with its impressive earnings track record, makes BFLY an attractive option for investors looking for high-growth stocks. Wolf, the second top gainer, is up 17.91% today, making it a notable performer in the market. Despite its strong price move, the analyst consensus is bearish, with 62.5% of analysts recommending a sell. This discrepancy between the stock's performance and analyst sentiment is intriguing and warrants further investigation. Wolf's earnings track record is less impressive than BFLY's, with only 2 out of 4 quarters beating expectations and a last quarter surprise of -58.6%. However, the options market is still indicating bullish institutional positioning, with a put/call ratio of 0.18. As Wolf continues to outperform its peers, it's crucial to monitor its revenue growth, which is currently at -19% year-over-year. This decline in revenue growth, combined with its lackluster earnings track record, makes Wolf a higher-risk investment. However, the bullish options market and strong price move suggest that there may be potential for a turnaround. The cross-asset signals are also providing valuable insights into the macro environment. Bitcoin is up 1.29% at $64,061, indicating a continued appetite for riskier assets. Gold, on the other hand, is down 0.75% at $4,214, suggesting that investors are rotating out of safe haven assets and into more growth-oriented investments. The price of oil is not explicitly mentioned, but it's essential to consider its impact on the global economy and the stock market. As the global economy continues to grow, the demand for oil is likely to increase, which could lead to higher oil prices. This, in turn, could have a positive impact on oil-related stocks and the broader market. For the next 5 trading sessions, it's essential to keep a close eye on BFLY and Wolf, as they continue to outperform their peers. Investors may consider taking a long position in BFLY, given its strong earnings track record and bullish institutional positioning. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks associated with insider selling and the company's high valuation. Wolf, on the other hand, is a higher-risk investment, given its bearish analyst consensus and declining revenue growth. It's also essential to monitor the S&P 500 and the VIX, as they will provide valuable insights into the overall market sentiment and volatility. In conclusion, today's market is characterized by a strong appetite for riskier assets, with the S&P 500 and Bitcoin leading the charge. However, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks and opportunities that come with this growth. By keeping a close eye on the top gainers, such as BFLY and Wolf, and monitoring the cross-asset signals, investors can make informed decisions and navigate the market with confidence. Remember, This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and it does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.